Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see how to publish an image via ROS and definitely OpenCV. To start with, let me go onto my workspace, say Robometrics workspace. Over here I have different packages available from the past videos. I'm going to create a new package over here, Catkin create package. The name of the package is Vision and the dependencies. So the very first dependency is ROS, since this is a Python based tutorial, so ROS.py. Next we have CV Bridge. Now this is needed to have a communication between ROS and OpenCV. And with it I'll have sensor messages, because this is the main subdirectory where all my image topics are present. Perfect. Now my Vision workspace is created. Let me directly go onto it and create a folder called scripts. As you saw over here, I have included a package called CV Bridge. Now this CV Bridge, if not installed, can be installed on your laptop in a very simple way. Sudo apt get install ROS dash the version, melodic, kinetic, etc, etc. So I am using melodic and then CV Bridge, and it is installed. Okay, coming back, I have created a new folder called scripts. So this video will have two steps. The first step is directly publishing an image via cv2.imshow, but with a launch file. And the next step is having a combination and publishing the image via a ROS topic, so that when we open RQT image view, that topic is present. If I do ROS topic info, that topic's name, I have an image message being published. Okay, so jumping onto over here, the first script that I said was a simple image show command. So let me open the script. A shebang for Python, import CV2. Now the number 0 is for my web camera over here. I can set different frame width, frame height, FPS according to the camera hardware specifications, but for now I have just commented it out. This is a debug line. If not, the cap is open, it will just print an error. So basically if this is false, the error will come. A pretty simple code over here again, while true, read the frame and just IMShow it. Wait for my exit command. I am saving this. So let's see if this works directly or not. So if I open this Python 3 image.imshow, the frame opens up. So this is good. The first step was very good. Now I'm gonna go on to creating a launch file for the same thing. So again, a new folder called launch. So my launch folder is created. Now I'm gonna place a launch file inside this. So let me just show you what my launch file will have. The node name, the package that I created. So the node name can be anything. I can have any name over here. The package name is important. The package that I created was named Vision. The type, image underscore imshow.py. Output screen, respawn is equal to true. So one important thing, as I told you, or you would be knowing, is the file has to be executable. So going into my workspace now, I'm just going to do catkin make and then source followed by ROS launch vision and then imshow.launch. This will open my Python file, as you can see over here. But this is not publishing onto a topic. The next step that we are going to do is publish this file onto a ROS topic. So going back into my scripts folder, Now I'm gonna copy or show you a file which will be publishing this topic, this node onto a topic now. So the very first thing that we have added over here is sensor messages.message import the image topic. Also, from the CV Bridge library that we downloaded, we have to import a couple of things and import CV2 obviously. Again, I am creating a variable called cap where I'm opening the image. I'm just printing if the cap is opened or not. This should always come as true. If this is coming as false, then your hardware is not able to talk with your code. So there is some problem over there. Again, a variable called bridge, which will have the CV Bridge library stored in it. The main function, talker, and then calling the function talker from over here. So what does this have? It has a publisher topic called webcam. It has an init node called image. It has a sleep time. This is a basic while loop which will keep running again and again. These are the two new lines that are important, that are very, very important for the image topic to be published. If you know, an image is just a NumPy array of 3 channels RGB, which are the pixel values. But ROS will not be able to understand this. That's why we have to convert this image topic from CV2 to the IMG message format, which ROS understands, which is then stored in a variable called MSG. And then I'm just publishing that MSG as we publish any other topic. And this is basically releasing the camera or the camera hardware when the code closes down. Otherwise, if you do not release this properly, the next time you run, there will be errors. So closing this file, I am just gonna copy it into my scripts folder. Again, talking about the launch file, it should be pretty straightforward. If you can see over here, the launch file will be similar to the imshow.launch. The only difference is the Python file's name. The package is the same, everything else is the same. Let me check if my Python file is executable or not now. Oh yes, it is. So that's good. Going back into my workspace or the main directory of my workspace, cat can make, although it is not important, it is a good habit if some nodes have to be built again. Since we are talking in Python, we did not do any changes or something like that, it's a pretty straightforward process. Source and ROS launch, the package's name and my publisher launch file's name. Okay, so the camera started, but we are not seeing anything. So let's see if we have a ROS topic for it. Yes, we have a topic called webcam over here. Perfect. Let's see ROS topic info webcam. Okay, that's good. It's a sensor message image topic and it is having a publisher. So the best way to look for a sensor messages image topic is RQT image view. And over here we have it. The webcam topic is present and is publishing the image. Pretty much it for this tutorial video, in which we learned how to interface ROS and OpenCV together to publish images onto a topic. Stay tuned, and next we are going to learn a couple of more things to play around with these images. Robometrics.